they'll just stay asleep. Science has a name for this asterisk asterisk disuse muscle atrophy, asterisk asterisk. And the scariest part, asterisk asterisk, you won't feel it happening, dot asterisk asterisk. There's no pain, no warning. Then one day, you notice you can't walk as fast. Standing up makes you wobble. And by then your muscles may have quietly stepped out of your life. I don't share this to make you feel bad. I say it because sometimes all it takes is standing up, stretching, walking a few steps around the house. And your body will hear the message, asterisk, asterisk, I'm still here. And I still want to be strong. Asterisk, asterisk. Have you stood up for yourself today? Now let me tell you something even more dangerous than pain. It's when your body is quietly breaking down and you don't even notice. I've seen so many older patients come to my clinic with no complaints at all. No pain, no fatigue, but when I checked, their muscle mass had dropped, slowly, silently. They'd look at me and say, "Doc, I haven't been sick. I haven't had any injuries." And I tell them, asterisk, asterisk. Not every battle inside the body comes with pain. Some destroy us quietly, asterisk, asterisk. What I'm talking about is something called asterisk, asterisk, low-grade chronic inflammation. Asterisk, asterisk, the kind of inflammation that doesn't scream, doesn't keep you up at night, but eats away at your strength, one day at a time. If you've got high blood sugar, prediabetes, belly fat, or visceral fat, you may already be living with this kind of inflammation without knowing it, and it may already be chipping away at your muscles silently. One of my patients, a 64-year-old carpenter, once told me, "I still eat normally, I still move around, but lately my arms and legs just feel soft, kind of weak." Blood tests showed his asterisk, asterisk CRP was slightly elevated, asterisk, asterisk, and his fasting blood sugar was around 130. Not a full-blown illness, but a quiet inflammation, enough to stop his muscles from rebuilding the way they used to. Inflammation isn't just about your joints. It's a thief stealing the life out of your muscles quietly, dot asterisk, asterisk. And the most dangerous thing, you won't feel it until one day you realize you're not as strong as you used to be. Have you ever checked if your body is silently inflamed? Don't wait until weakness forces you to care. Asterisk, asterisk. True health starts from the inside out, dot asterisk, asterisk. I once asked a patient, "How many medications are you taking these days?" He sighed and said, "Probably 5 or more, doc. I've been on them so long I've lost track of the names." And sadly, that's not uncommon. After 60, many of us end up living with pills, blood pressure meds, diabetes meds, sleep aids, anti-inflammatories. And yes, these medications can save lives. But if taken too long, without close monitoring, they can slowly wear down your body, especially your asterisk, asterisk muscles, asterisk, asterisk. Did you know that some medications like asterisk, asterisk corticosteroids, sleep meds, even certain blood pressure pills, asterisk, asterisk, when used long-term can cause asterisk, asterisk muscle loss? Asterisk, asterisk reduce recovery and weaken your body faster than aging alone. A 70-year-old woman once came to see me. She ate well, walked every morning, but her posture was hunched, her steps unsteady. When I ran tests, her muscle mass was much lower than expected. Turns out she'd been taking corticosteroids for nearly 2 years to manage arthritis. Yes, the meds helped her pain, but the asterisk, asterisk price she paid, asterisk, asterisk, was the strength in her legs. Now, I'm not telling you to stop your medications. I'm telling you to asterisk. Asterisk, ask better questions, asterisk, asterisk. Ask your doctor, does this medication affect my muscles? Is there a way to protect my strength while still managing my condition? Because staying healthy after 60 isn't just about asterisk, asterisk, taking your meds on time, asterisk, asterisk. It's about asterisk, asterisk, understanding your meds, understanding your body, and protecting the parts of you that still want to move, to live to be strong, dot asterisk, asterisk. Have you ever reviewed your medication list with a doctor who truly understands aging muscles? Asterisk, asterisk. I want you to imagine this. You're over 60. You eat 3 meals a day, never skip. Maybe you eat a little less now, your appetite's not what it used to be. Or maybe you're just trying to stay healthy. You think you're eating just enough and that should be good, right? But then one day, you realize something. Getting up from a chair feels harder. Climbing a few steps leaves you short of breath. And you tell yourself, well, I guess I'm just getting old. But let me tell you something, asterisk, asterisk, getting old isn't always the reason, dot asterisk, asterisk. As a doctor who's worked with older adults for over 30 years in the US, I've seen this story again and again, people feeling weaker without knowing why. And many times the reason is surprisingly simple. They're not getting enough quality protein. Asterisk asterisk. Not because they're not eating, but because they're not eating what their body asterisk really asterisk needs. A 68-year-old patient once told me, "Doc, I eat eggs, porridge, vegetables every day." But when I asked if he was eating lean meat, fish, dairy foods rich in essential amino acids, he went quiet. We don't realize that asterisk asterisk after 60, your body actually needs more, not less, to maintain muscle. Asterisk asterisk. It's not about eating asterisk more asterisk. It's about eating asterisk right asterisk. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this so you understand asterisk asterisk. If you're feeling weaker, don't rush to blame age. Asterisk asterisk. Maybe all you need is a better way of fueling your body, and you can regain the strength you thought you'd lost. Have you ever felt that way? Asterisk asterisk. Now think about this. When was the last time you had a truly good night's sleep? I don't mean just lying in bed, I mean deep, uninterrupted, restful sleep. No tossing and turning. No waking up at 2 or 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling trying to fall back asleep. Many people over 60 tell me, "Doc, I sleep, sort of. I just wake up a lot in the middle of the night." And I understand. I've been there too. But here's what most people don't know. Asterisk asterisk. Chronic poor sleep doesn't just make you tired. It slowly eats away at your muscle strength. Asterisk asterisk. During deep sleep, your body goes to work repairing muscles, rebuilding protein, releasing growth hormone, all things your muscles need to stay strong. But when your sleep is shallow, broken, or too short, none of that happens. A 72-year-old woman once asked me, "Doctor, I eat well. I walk every day. Why are my legs still getting weaker?" I asked her about her sleep. She smiled sadly and said, "Sleep. I honestly can't remember the last time I slept well." Asterisk asterisk. Without good sleep, your muscles never get a chance to recover. Asterisk asterisk. Each night that goes by instead of healing your body is quietly losing the very strength that keeps you moving. I'm not telling you this to worry you. I'm telling you this because sometimes asterisk asterisk rebuilding your strength doesn't start at the gym, it starts with your pillow, with the sleep you deserve. Asterisk asterisk. Are you sleeping deeply enough? Asterisk asterisk. Now take a moment and think about your daily routine. Really think about it. Asterisk asterisk. You wake up, sit down for breakfast, then sit and watch TV. Around noon, you rest a bit, maybe read the paper, then nap or lounge again. Maybe you walk a little around the house and then you're sitting again. We don't notice it, but all that sitting, all that lying down, it's slowly making us weaker. I'm not talking about going to the gym or jogging like the young folks. You don't need that. What I'm talking about is asterisk asterisk gentle daily movement, asterisk asterisk the kind your body asterisk craves, asterisk after 60. A 75-year-old woman once told me, "Doctor, I don't think I'm getting weaker. I just feel lazy to get up." And I gently said, "Your muscles aren't lazy, but if you don't wake them up, they'll stay asleep for good." It's called asterisk asterisk disuse muscle atrophy, asterisk asterisk muscle loss from inactivity. And the scariest part is asterisk asterisk you won't feel it happening. Asterisk asterisk. No pain, no warning signs. Just one day you'll notice your steps are slower. Standing up takes effort. And by then, your muscles may have already started slipping away. I'm not saying this to make you feel bad. I'm saying it because even the smallest effort, standing up, stretching, walking a few laps around the house, asterisk asterisk, is a message to your body that says, "I'm still here. I still want to be strong." Asterisk asterisk. Have you moved for yourself today? Let me ask you something simple. Asterisk asterisk. When was the last time you felt weaker than usual? Asterisk asterisk. And when that moment came, did you think, "Well, I guess I'm just getting old. It's normal"? I've heard that so many times. "Doc, I'm just getting older. That's why I walk slower. Getting up and sitting down makes me sore." But hey, isn't that what happens at this age? But I want you to know something important. Asterisk asterisk. Getting weaker is not something you have to accept as normal. Asterisk asterisk. Not everyone at 60 has to feel fragile. Not everyone at 70 has to lose their balance. The truth is, most people don't realize they're losing muscle until it's too late. A 66-year-old man once came to see me. He could no longer go to the grocery store by himself. Just a few years ago, he was cycling in the park every morning. When I asked why he hadn't come in sooner, he gave a sad smile and said, "I thought I was just aging. I didn't think it was a problem." That's the real tragedy. Asterisk asterisk. When we mistake real warning signs for just getting old, we miss the golden window when the body can still fully recover. Because in the early stages of muscle loss, just a few changes, eating better, moving more, getting quality sleep, can rebuild your strength almost completely. But if you wait until getting up requires holding on to something or walking a few steps leaves you exhausted, then the road back becomes a much harder climb. I say this with all the sincerity in my heart, asterisk, asterisk. You still have the right to live strong and well after 60, but only if you listen to the early signals your body is giving you, asterisk, asterisk. And if you're feeling just a little weaker these days, then maybe, just maybe, now is the time to act. Asterisk, asterisk. Are you listening closely enough to your body, asterisk, asterisk? Because at our age, we don't need loud slogans or big promises anymore. We just want a simple life. One where we can walk without fear, tend to our garden, take our grandkids to the park, climb the stairs by ourselves without help. And that life? It's not a distant dream. It's still possible, asterisk, asterisk. I didn't share all this to scare you. I shared it to remind you, asterisk, asterisk. Your body can still heal. Your strength can still return, asterisk, asterisk. But you have to start now while there's still time. Whether you're 60, 70, or even more, if you listen to your body, if you care about every meal, every night of sleep, every gentle step you take, then you're already giving yourself a gift, asterisk, asterisk. A chance to live strong, to live independent, to live life on your own terms, asterisk, asterisk. And if you've watched this far, I know you're ready to begin. Tell me in the comments, asterisk, asterisk. Which signs did you recognize in today's video, asterisk, asterisk? I'll read and reply to every single one. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be back with more honest, practical, and heartfelt advice just for you. For those of you who want to stay healthy, stay strong, and stay in control after 60. See you in the next video. And always remember, asterisk, asterisk, real strength doesn't come from age. It comes from how we choose to live every single day, asterisk, asterisk.